So as I just finished up on my daily walk this morning, I just realized today will make day 23 of me uploading consistently here on YouTube. You guys, when I tell you starting to focus on selling digital products has literally helped me to take control over my life. It has helped me to not only show up every single day on YouTube, but it has helped me to have consistency, the discipline that I needed, and the willpower to get up and to take control over my life. So today I want to talk to you guys about how digital products can take control over your life so there will be no more 9-to-5 struggles on the daily. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara. On this channel I teach you guys how to use your passions, gifts, and your talents in order for you to start a successful digital product business. So today, you guys, as I was on my walk, I realized that I am literally 23 days in of posting consistently here on YouTube. I decided September the 1st that I was going to go 120 days strong of posting on YouTube. So the reason I wanted to start this challenge was because I felt like I needed structure, I needed to be disciplined, and I needed to take control over my life. And I also wanted to make sure that I really focus in on my digital product business. So I am a full-time entrepreneur. I've had the pleasure of being a full-time entrepreneur for the last 8 years now as of this month. And you guys, when I tell you being an entrepreneur is one of those things where it's good but it's not so good. The good thing about being an entrepreneur is the flexibility. You're able to wake up and do what you love to do. You're able to enjoy your life as you choose. But the downside of it is there is no structure and there is no discipline because you work for yourself. So you have to make sure that you are staying in control and that you are staying on top of the game. So for me, because I have been doing this for so long in so many different industries, I felt like my routine and my discipline and consistency just took a toll. Like everything was all over the place. So I decided this month I was closing my hair salon down. I'm going full-time as a digital product business coach, helping other people to launch their digital products and to use their gifts and talents. And you guys, I want to let you know that starting this digital product business and actually being consistent and showing up has literally helped me to gain structure and clarity. So digital products is literally a business that you can get started with $0. You can literally use whatever passion, gifts, talents, education, anything that you have overcome in your life, and you can start this business. But I want to talk to you about one of the best things about digital products, and that's the freedom to gain control of your life. So oftentimes when you work a 9-to-5 job, you feel like you just in this routine where you're going to work every day, you're coming home, having to cook your food for your family, you're having to get everything situated and ready and prepared for the next day. And most of everyone does this 5 days out of the week, literally 5 days out of 7 days a week. So because of this, it's like you feel like you don't have time and energy to do anything else. You feel like you have lost yourself in just being this person who just sticks to a routine and there is nothing else to look forward to. So I want to talk to you about how starting your digital product business is literally going to help you to not only gain clarity, but to break free from that routine that is draining you and sucking you dry. So when you start a digital product business, you are literally starting something that you love. So for me, I always tell people, start with something that you are passionate about, something that you like to talk about, something that gives you a fuel and a burn on the inside to get up and to want to do it. You will see other people telling you to start a digital product business and to go into a certain industry just for the money. My thing is, if you start a digital product business outside of your 9-to-5 job, Why start something that you don't like? You already are working a 9 to 5 job that most of you probably don't even like anyway. So why would you want to start a business that's going to make you feel the same way of being burnt out, stuck in a routine, in a cycle that your 9 to 5 job does? You want to break free of this. This is more spiritual than it is just physical. I want you to understand digital products can change your life. You can make a ton of money from it, but you guys, you have to look at it from a different perspective and realize this is about your life. This is about your freedom. This is about your calling. This is so much deeper than surface level thinking. You have to wake up every single day and you have to choose to do what it is that you want to do. So if you are already working a 9 to 5 job that you don't like going to, that's sucking your energy and causing you to be burnt out and feeling like you're just living a life that is unpleasing to you, do not start a digital product business just to make money. I want you to understand that digital products can be life-changing, but you have to do the inner work and you have to become the person that you desire to become. So for me, when I started this business, I wanted to make sure that I was starting with something I am passionate about. So I have 8 years of experience as an entrepreneur in multiple industries, and because of that, I wanted to make sure that I was helping other people to start their digital product business, because I am very passionate about helping people to unleash their gifts and to understand that God gave each of us an assignment and each of us a calling, and you have to be willing to tap into it. So when you think about digital products, I don't want you to think about just starting something that's going to give you money and you're able to quit your job and do all of these things. I want you to think about it on a spiritual level, a level that helps you to become her, to become him, to tap into everything that you are destined to be. Because if you work on yourself internally, everything externally will match it. A lot of people don't succeed with their businesses because they look at everything physically. You have to become in alignment with God, and you have to walk in the purpose, in the destiny, in the place that He has called you to, because everything else will be easy. Everything else will come to you naturally. But a lot of people don't make it to that point in life because they do not tap in. They do not take control. Since I have become consistent with posting about selling digital products every single day, it has given me the control that I needed. Like, I'm over here, just walked an hour and a half. So excuse the sweat, because yes, I'm still sweating because I literally just got in the car. But you guys, I am able to tap in internally. Like, when I tell you clarity has been flowing to me, and I thought that this was going to be a hard assignment to complete, like 120 days of uploading a long form video every single day. It's crazy. Like, I'm telling you guys, it sounds crazy because it's hard for people to post consistently onto YouTube because of the fact it's long form. But when I tell you guys, this has literally been one of the easiest things for me to start and to actually focus on. And I am so grateful that I'm doing this challenge, because it has helped me to become better internally versus just looking at everything physically. So when you think about digital products, I want you to think about the freedom that comes from digital products, but I also want you to think about becoming the person that you are destined to be. If you can wake up every single day and be who it is that you envision yourself being, how would that look for you? If you can wake up every single day not having to worry about money, not having to stress about bills, just getting up, doing what it is that you want to do, how would that look for you? That is what the freedom of digital products can look like. You can literally quit your 9 to 5 job, just like I have done, and you can get up and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Yes, you need to put the work in. Yes, you need to be disciplined. Yes, you need to be consistent. But the thing about it is, the person that you become, that is the best reward in selling digital products. Like, the best reward in staying consistent, the best reward in being disciplined, the best reward in knowing who you are. To me, that beats any amount of dollars you can absolutely make. So when people start their business, like, a lot of people look at it physically, as in how much money they need to make, but you have to think differently, and you have to think, if I were already a millionaire, how would my life look every single day? What is it I would have to do? So for me, I always think long term first, and then I work on becoming that person, because that helps me to be disciplined. That helps me to take control. That helps me to break free of living in a routine, in a cycle that does not please me. So if you are ready to tap in and you're saying, I'm sick of this 9 to 5 job, I'm sick of living in routine, I'm sick of waking up every single day as if I have no control over my life, then I need you to understand, starting your digital product business is going to be the best thing to do. Not only will it be rewarding with the financial part, but it will be rewarding externally as well if you are doing the work. So if you work a 9 to 5 job, I understand, you may not have as much time freedom as I have, but I want you to understand this. Every single day that you make an excuse, every single day that you say you don't have the time, every single day that you continue to procrastinate on doing the things that God has called you to do, it's going to be another day that you miss the opportunity. God gives each of us an opportunity. Every single day we have a chance to do better than what we did the day before. Every single day you have an opportunity to wake up and to choose to do what you know will change your life. So I want you to stop making excuses, and I want you to start your digital product business. And if you're ready to get started and you're saying, yes, Tiara, you're talking to me, I'm sick of this routine that no longer serves me, I want you to go down below and I want you to grab my freebie that's going to explain to you more about digital products. It's going to give you a more in-depth detail of digital products. And I'm also giving you 100 digital product ideas that you can get started with. So I want you guys to get out of the cycle of being burnt out and thinking that that's what life is. There is so much that we have to do here on earth. Before your time is up, I want you to understand that there is a big world outside of the normal things that you think are normal. Like, there are so many people who have literally never been on vacation, never took a day to themselves, never did anything that they love to do, and I want you to break free from that. So if that's you and you're saying that I'm tired, 2025 was the last year of me staying in this stuck, rutted cycle, go ahead, tap the link below. I cannot wait to see everything that happens for you next. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.